Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Handy Middle School in Bay City, Michigan. My first visit to this school here in my home state. And just an amazing morning with the students and staff, all grades 6, 7, and 8. We had 2 separate assemblies. And the main focus was on bullying, but looking at the heart first. And it really ties into part of the mantra here at Handy, which you'll see these banners all across the school. I'm right outside the main office here, kind of by the school entrance, and it says, safe, respectful, responsible. And the whole respect piece is what I really tried to hammer home today, that we have to treat others the way that we want to be treated, right? Like we treat our best friends, and we always see them for their heart before anything else first. And our heart, as big as our fist, if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness, empathy fully enter into here, we can turn this into this. Peace sign, one finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourself. But also 2, because in just 2 seconds, 1 breath, 1 heartbeat, 1 action, 1 word, we can either uplift somebody high as the clouds, or we can say something so defeating and so demeaning that it stays in their heart in a negative way forever. So we have that choice, right, to uplift or to bring down. Hopefully we choose the former, right? And a lot of students, the feedback, there was a lot of emotion, because the talks are always at the heart level. And so through the heartfelt stories, the inspirational music, the motivational videos, they really did grasp the message today. And there was a lot of pin drop moments too, where I know what I was talking about was really heard, especially the part of why bullying happens, the main reason that I've seen across this country, which is hurt people. But if we can turn that hurt into healing, right, let that love fully enter our heart, we can become the healed people that heal people. So it took place in the gym. And, the central idea, that I really always try to say is, we're trying to see people for who they truly are before anything else. And if we can do that, then bullying shouldn't even happen, right? Because the same way that you always work things out, if you maybe get in a mini argument with your friend or whatever's going on, best friends always see you for who you truly are, and for this too. This concept I bring up in all my assemblies, all my presentations, but we all, with the lines on our hands, have the letter M. Right, I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And this M stands for miracle, just like the front of my shirt. And upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to truly buy into that ourselves, right? We have to really, be able to see that not only in who we are, when we look in the mirror, see that reflection, but then go out into this world and start to really shine our light and show other people that if they have never heard that or don't believe that or forgotten it, that they are miracles as well. Further, like I told a lot of the students, that said something did touch their heart, I said, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. Hopefully with kindness, hopefully with love, hopefully with peace. So thank you all for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to check out my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.